What if I told you that the tool that can help you get things done faster is in this video? Today, we're going to test out Amazon's latest tools that are trending for good reason. Before revealing the best tool, Merca Bicycle Torque Wrench. Say goodbye to stripped threads and cracked composite components forever. The ultra-compact Mark Bike Torque Wrench locks in pro-grade safety, giving you dedicated 35, 44, and 53 inch-pound limits, with a built-in sensory click indicator to stop you when it's perfect. Loaded with crucial 3, 4, and 5 millimeter hex bits, plus a T25 Torx bit, this slick $39 gadget turns any rider into a master mechanic on the go. Pressure Rivet Nut Tool Kit. Nothing kills the momentum of a great DIY project like a bolt tearing through weak metal. This elite rivet nut tool kit rescues your build with 430 high-strength carbon steel inserts in 5 popular imperial sizes, ranging from number 8-32 to 5/16 of an inch, engineered with a knurled finish and anti-rust zinc coating. They guarantee a bulletproof grip for automotive repairs, home crafts, and sheet metal work. For around $31, it's a smart shop investment for flawless threads. Cordless heat gun compatible. Most heat guns force you to choose. Stay chained to an extension cord or wait ages for it to get hot. This 350-watt cordless powerhouse rewrites the rules. Built to snap right onto your Milwaukee 18-volt battery, it fires up in a blistering 2 to 3 seconds, giving you dialed-in LCD precision from 122 degrees Fahrenheit up to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. Complete with 5 specialized nozzles for shrink wrapping or stripping paint, this $45 upgrade brings total job site mobility without cutting a single watt of power. Seacone Mini Heat Gun. Your DIY projects shouldn't be slowed down by bulky tools or uneven heat. The Seacone Mini Heat Gun is built for precision, heating up fast with 2 temperature settings, 500 degrees Fahrenheit for delicate work and 842 degrees Fahrenheit for tougher jobs. Its compact design reaches tight spaces, while overload protection and the focus nozzle make crafting, shrink tubing, vinyl wrapping, and even 3-dimensional printing cleaner and easier. At around $18, it's an affordable tool that punches well above its size. Berkling BSG 568 Portable Butane Cordless Soldering Iron. Still dragging heavy extension cords across the garage just to make a quick wire fix? The Berkling BSG 568 delivers ultimate cordless freedom, packing a premium soldering iron, mini heat gun, and micro torch into one pocket-sized powerhouse. It self-ignites in mere seconds, cranks out up to 90 minutes of continuous butane runtime, and offers dialed-in flame control for precision wiring, shrink tubing, or jewelry crafting. At just $35, this Swiss Army knife of tools is a must-have for any modern toolbox. Nursey Cordless Soldering Iron Kit. Traditional soldering tools either restrict your mobility or take ages to burn hot. The Nursey H03 breaks those limits by blending a 2,600 mAh cordless power cell, plug-and-play USB-C versatility, and an instant 3-second ignition. delivering an adjustable 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit temperature envelope, an advanced IPS digital monitor, and hot swappable elements, it brings total mastery to automotive wiring or drone building. At just $56, it's a high-yield asset that turns out premium results on any budget. M-Auto Rolling Knee Creeper Durable Knee Pads. Time is money, so why waste billable hours constantly tracking down misplaced tools on a concrete floor? The MAUTO Mobile Knee Pad streamlines your low-profile operations by merging heavy-duty knee protection, smooth rolling 360-degree casters, and a dedicated parts organizer into one rugged platform. Engineered from impact-resistant polypropylene, rated for a solid 200-pound limit, it brings ultimate mobility to brake jobs, paint detailing, and custom masonry. Clocking in near $35, it's a high-yield shop asset that pays for itself instantly. Wheel's 30-foot retractable extension cord reel. Time is money, so why waste billable hours untangling knots or stepping over loose power lines during a custom build? The Wheel's retractable workstation optimizes your workflow by merging heavy-duty auto rewind storage, a generous 30-foot radius, a triple-tap grounded outlet, and an adaptable 180-degree swivel ceiling mount. Engineered with an active 10-amp breaker to eliminate electrical hazards, this $40 asset upgrades your garage into a high-functioning, hazard-free zone. Cordless metal shear compatible. Ditch the hand-cramping frustration of traditional shears that constantly bind on tough stock. This cordless metal shear offers a foolproof, battery-powered fix, pairing an efficient brushless motor with a 360-degree swivel head that tackles tight spaces on the fly. It shears steel plate up to 14-gauge thick and integrates seamlessly into your DeWalt 20-volt max platform to keep setup costs low. At a smart $62 price point, it's the ultimate way to achieve crisp, industrial-strength cuts. Winans air-cooled hot knife foam cutter. Trying to cut thick foam with basic tools usually means rough edges, wasted material, and endless frustration. The Winans air-cooled hot knife makes clean, professional cuts with a powerful 210-watt motor, reaching up to 1,166 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 seconds. With 16 temperature settings and interchangeable 6-inch and 8-inch blades, it handles everything from detailed carving to large insulation panels with ease. At around $80, it's a worthwhile investment for fast, precise, and professional foam fabrication. Miter shears. Crooked trim cuts can ruin an entire project and waste expensive materials. These Gartle miter shears make perfect angle cuts easy with an adjustable 45-degree to 135-degree guide, razor-sharp SK5 steel blades, and comfortable non-slip handles that reduce hand fatigue. They're ideal for PVC, quarter-round molding, weather stripping, and softwood, with extra replacement blades included for long-term use. At around $27, they're an affordable tool that delivers cleaner cuts and more professional-looking results. Insulation knife. Ditch the hand-cramping frustration of using standard blades that constantly bind on tough insulation fiber. This cordless-era double-sided knife offers a foolproof, heavy-duty fix, pairing an efficient 11-inch stainless steel edge with dual serrated geometry that tackles tight wall cavities on the fly. It shears dense rock wool effortlessly and includes a heavy-duty sheath for safe tool belt storage. At a smart $15 price point, it's the ultimate way to achieve crisp, factory-clean borders. Cordless Air Cooling Pro Electric Hot Knife Kit. Frustrated by frayed fabric edges and slow, messy cutting? The Minova Cordless Hot Knife Kit makes clean, sealed cuts with ease. Powered by an included 18-volt, 2.0 amp-hour battery, it comes with 4 interchangeable blades to handle everything from polyester and curtains to synthetic fabrics. Its full-body air cooling system keeps it running longer, while the safety lock prevents accidental starts. At around $140, it's a worthwhile investment for fast, precise, professional quality cutting anywhere.